Hey, have you been trying to get more lead sales and signups in Power Lead System so you could get more gold members, so you could get more all-ins? Well, you came to the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta. I am a top marketer and top traffic provider in the solo ad space. And what I do is I help people to get results. And in this video, I wanted to share some results with you and let you understand that getting results with any kind of opportunity, especially ones like Power Lead System. It involves a couple of different aspects. Like it involves good emails that you send out. It involves follow up. It involves a strategy behind it. And I'm going to show you one of the customers that I have that gets traffic from me pretty frequently, right? And she always gets results when she gets traffic from me. It's really amazing. So here's some of her results right here, and then I left a comment right here because I wanted to make sure that this was from the run that we're doing, right now. So basically, she got a 200 click, package, and down here, here's where she says that she got a 200 click package, and she got sales. So, and this is from the one that we're running right now, right? So, I like to help people, and the reason why people get results when they get traffic from me is because I actually help them, right? I'm not somebody who's just going to get your order and not give you any feedback, right? And that's what happens when you go on to a lot of these sites that sell traffic. You'll never hear from the people who are selling you traffic, right? They just take your link, take your money, and be like, okay, well, we're going to send you traffic, see you later, right? That's not how I do things. I actually like to give people feedback so they can actually book a strategy call with me when they order, traffic from me, which actually helps them to get results because I like to talk to people who are working online to build their business, right? I like to know what they're doing in their marketing to be able to get results, right? And so if you've tried something for so long and you felt like you haven't really got any support, then definitely order some traffic from me so that way you can set up a call with me as well, and we could go over your funnels. We could go over what to actually do on a day-to-day basis and how to actually get results. And I'm going to show you down here what her results actually were, right? So I asked her about her results, and basically here's what they were. So I'm going to show you. Here's her comments right here, and I asked her, how many gold sales does she get from 200 clicks, right? So there's people that want to know the traffic source. They want to know what it is, right? And I can't technically say, like, I don't want to say, because I'm not trying to filter traffic from the Power Lead System community, but I do tell them who are asking about where she got traffic from to actually go through the PLS email academy, because I am in the email academy. If you've been through the email academy, I am in there. I am the one that you should come and see for traffic, right? So basically I'm glad to see that you are getting results, and I'm always happy to help. And then right here, I asked how many golds she got, right? So down here she says 5, I think, right? So 5 sales, 200 clicks, in PLS. Now that's really amazing results, and I just wanted to share those results with you to actually say that there's a right way to do email marketing and a wrong way to do it, and you should be doing other strategies in combination with your solo ads to actually get results. Now, Jillian has had a lot of results with me. She actually got some all-in sales as well when she ran traffic from me. It's happened before, and it doesn't happen all the time. I'm not promising that, but what I am saying is it is possible. So, when you order traffic from me, order traffic with an open mind, and knowing that you're going to get the best results possible that I could possibly help and provide you, and you're going to get feedback, right? So the feedback is very important when you're, going and doing any kind of paid traffic, because if people don't give you feedback, then you don't know how to get results. And Jessica has got a lot of results from me as well. And these are people that I work with on a consistent basis. So it's not just somebody that you're going to buy traffic from and I'm going to tell you, okay, I'll see you later. I'm not that kind of guy. Like, I would rather help you to get results and help you get feedback and be able to help you so that way you're able to be successful in Power Lead System. And there's a way to do it, right? So not everybody knows how to do email marketing the right way. Not everybody knows how to do solo ads the right way. And there's a right way and a wrong way to do it. The wrong way to do it is to get a bunch of leads, do it not knowing your stats, which a lot of people do. They'll just buy traffic to a funnel, and then they won't do anything after that, right? So if you're just buying traffic to a funnel, you're going to end up blowing through a lot of money. You're going to end up wasting a lot of time, and you're not going to get feedback. So don't just take a bunch of money and throw it at a funnel because that's what you heard to do before, right? If you just blow money at a funnel, then you're not going to get the results that you want. You have to know how to do certain things. You have to know how to write your emails. You have to know how to track your stats. You have to know how to actually follow up with people in your email, how to get them to engage with you, right? Otherwise, your email list will go dead if you're not engaging with the people on your email list. So that's very important. So if you are in PLS, I would highly suggest two things. I would suggest the Max Steingard training on how to connect with people using social media, and I would suggest the Email Marketing Academy for PLS, right? Those are going to be your two top products that you use that are going to help you to get results within Power Lead System when you're promoting it. Also, getting a traffic package from me is going to help you get results as well, because you're going to know exactly what to do in your marketing, exactly how to brand yourself, and it's going to help you to actually change your results and be able to increase them so you can make the amount of money you want to make and you can have your time back, right? And that's the goal. The goal is to be able to have you be able to live the kind of life that you want to live, right? And that's the whole reason why you're building a business, and that's why I'm here to help. You just have to take the first step and go and click on that link below this video so that way you can come to my traffic store. My traffic store is profitbuilderstraffic.com, and I'm going to go to that store right now so you can see what it looks like. Here's profitbuilderstraffic.com. So you're going to come over here and you're going to come to my traffic store. Now there's a link to my traffic store in the bottom of this page, and as of now I'm doing a promotion, so you can get 15% over delivery on traffic packages 500 clicks or above, and that's what I'm doing right now. And so if you order traffic from me now, and this is in November, so if you order traffic from me now, you actually get the over delivery of 15%. Now what that means is if you order 500 clicks, you will actually get 575. If you order 1,000 clicks, you will actually get 1,150 clicks. If you order 2,000 clicks, you will get 2,300 clicks, right? So my goal when you get traffic from me is to make sure that your offers are congruent with what you're promoting, and you want to make sure that the landing page and sales copy are congruent, and you want to make sure that the traffic source that you're getting traffic from is very high quality. And I learned the hard way because I ended up just running traffic to a funnel, not knowing my stats, not knowing anything, and it landed me at $87,000 in debt. I had to actually learn how to market online, and I had to get a coach. I had to get some feedback, and that allowed me to actually change around the way I was marketing and come up with a better strategy and be able to learn the marketing skills I need to actually have results online, right? So you you definitely want to seek out coaching and be able to have somebody around you that you trust when it comes to giving you advice. And then the traffic that you get when you order from me is from a variety of different sources, including Facebook, YouTube, Google, Bing PPC, banner ads, Warrior Plus solo ads, and CPA marketing. And you're actually going to get a call with me, and with that call, you actually get me to help you with your funnels, right? And I help people to get as high as an 85% opt-in rate with conversions. So if you look below on this page, you're going to actually see that on my testimonials. My first testimonial is 90% opt-in rate with conversions. So my goal is to help you to build a list of the most highly engaged people who really want what you have to offer. And so how this starts is in 3 simple steps. Again, click on the link below this video to come to my traffic store. It's going to allow you to actually buy. And, there's also other links in the description as well. So you can actually get into my free Facebook group. There's a link in the description for that also. And make sure you actually, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any videos that I upload. But that's going to be your first step, is to go and order some traffic from me today. And you could book your strategy call with me after that. And if you want to see the testimonials on this page, scroll down, make sure you read everything on this page, and place your order with me today. I am happy to help. I am here to help. If you have any issues, concerns, or comments, make sure you reach out to me on Facebook, Gio Ambrose Gianta, or you can leave a message below on this page. All right, thank you for watching, and bye for now.